Guys, alam nyo ba na hindi natatanggal yung excess dirt sa mukha natin gamit lang yung facial wash? You have to use a toner that really removes excess dirt from your face. Pero aminin na natin, may iba't ibang klase talaga ng toner and sometimes hindi natin alam kung anong toner ba yung dapat natin gamitin or kung anong toner ba yung dapat sa skin type natin. So if you want to improve your skin texture, your pores, or your skin oiliness, then you need this kind of ingredients. Those ingredients helps to remove excess dirt and some dead skin cells off the surface of the skin. Kasi alam naman natin na hindi naman lahat ng dirt sa mukha natin is naaalis ng facial wash. So let me show you a toner that I've been using. This is the toner by Primo Skin. Let me share you how I use this while telling you some facts why I love this toner. So ang ginagawa ko is nilalagay ko siya sa cotton pad and make sure na hindi ganon kakaming amount yung ilalagay nyo. Yung tama lang. And then, nirarab ko lang siya gently sa face ko. So what I liked about this toner is napakadali lang niya ma-absorb and very soothing talaga siya sa skin. And this does not exfoliate my skin but this also leaves it looking glowy and plump and moisturized. As you can see after using it, look at that glow. This also prepares my skin for the absorption of moisturization and other skincare products. So isa talaga to sa hindi mawawala sa skincare routine ko.